Hi guys, welcome back to another one. So I am currently out. I'm just on my way to get a couple of groceries, so come along with me. Sorry about the lighting, it's quite dark at the moment, as you can tell. But yeah, I'm currently out, just gonna get some groceries, get a couple of things for the house, and then yeah, gonna get back indoors. So I'm currently at Waitrose. I wouldn't say it's my fave, but I do like their products. But yeah, they're not great for the pocket, but you know, just gotta shop. All right then guys, come along with me. Like I said guys, Waitrose can be very expensive. I believe it's actually one of the most expensive supermarkets in the UK, outside of specialist stores or herbal stores or organic shops or farmers market. But as a supermarket, if you compare it to Sainsbury's, Asda's, Lidl, Aldi, Waitrose can be very expensive. So one of my tricks and tips that I always do when I do go to Waitrose is I go at a specific time. So this is a trick. If you want to find bargains at Waitrose, go before closing, and then you're going to find yourself lots and lots of bargains where they're going to have these yellow labels on, and it basically gets reduced to about 70%, 50% off. And mind you guys, you can actually freeze a lot of the food. If you have a freezer, you can unpack it when you get home and then freeze it and then use it. So with me, I don't have any problems buying food that is, you know, close to the sell by date. Still perfect for human consumptions. So yeah, it just means that, you know, you do end up with, you know, at least affordable food when you are shopping. So my basket is full with mainly vegetable. Don't mind me right there, my eyes were just teary. It's a bit cold, but let's continue with the shopping. I really love the flowers, but no, I didn't get it out of my budget. But yeah, another tip is, if you go with, this is something that I recently learned guys, only if you go with your own shopping bags. Like here, I've got 2 shopping bags, more bargains. I've got 2 shopping bags. So the tips and trick that I have is fill only the bags that you came in with. Do not don't get more than what you can put in the bag. Whatever you can put in the bag, that is all that you are buying for that trip. And having a list is always handy, so you know, and you can kind of pre-budget before you even leave the house how much you're going to spend. And another tip is, I know we are living in a cashless society, but I really do think having that cash in hand does still help, because at least you know once the cash is gone, there is nothing else. However, with the contactless, you tend to go over budget with the contactless as well. So guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click on that like and share where you can, have your notification bell on so you never miss out on anything. Waitrose again can be expensive, but you can still find amazing bargains. And I do love the quality. I had to check the plant-based vegetarian, plant-based vegan section, see what bargains they had. There was nothing, so I had to move on. I actually couldn't find anything, so I was like, do you know what, next. But my shopping trip, usually once a month, I might buy so I'm out the door now, I'm all done, and we're gonna head back home. So this shopping trip was just the essentials, everyday items, bread, something, salad, plenty of vegetables that I found good bargains, bananas for the home. But now I'm just heading back to the car. Guys, when you are out and about as well, when you go on a late night trip and you're by yourself, make sure that you're very secure. Have your emergency flashlight alarm system, because these car parks are never safe regardless of where you think you are. So I got back home now, and I just wanted to share with you guys this quick recipe that I did. Basically gnocchi. I really like making gnocchi, and it's quick, simple and easy. I just took loads of vegetables that I had in the fridge that, do you know what, I haven't used for some time, and you know, they were kind of getting a bit too soft. So I've got some onion, I've got celery, I've got some courgette, I've got a bit of green chili, red chilies, I've got mushrooms. I took everything out not everything, but I took most items out, and I'm just going to chop and slice them all, and then we're going to mix it all with the gnocchi. Okay, so chop everything. You don't have to use these vegetables, and I've got some tomatoes, and yeah, we chop tomatoes. So the vegetables that you use for this recipe is entirely up to you. If you wanted to use carrots or, you know, other vegetables, you can. Broccoli, you can, but these are the vegetables that I use. Quick, simple and easy. I've got here chopped peppers, courgette, I've got the garlic on the side, the celery right there. I actually don't mind cooking with celery, you know, it's something that I've started doing. Onions as well, so I'm keeping it simple. And here we are with the gnocchi. You don't need to pre-boil your gnocchi, but I did, hence why it's in a different pot. But don't pre-boil your gnocchi because it tends to be very, very soft already, depending on the brand of gnocchi that you buy. If you make your homemade, it's very straightforward to do. I haven't attempted to make my own homemade gnocchi yet, something for me to work in the future. But yeah, so right now just going to mix all the vegetables in with the gnocchi after I kind of like grilled them for a bit. It was a joint effort, by the way. So yeah, just mixing everything in there. The seasoning, it's all entirely up to you, whatever seasoning you want to use. Salt and pepper, always a great option if you want to keep it extremely simple. Sprinkle salt and pepper, and the flavors of the vegetables will come to life. I added the tomatoes, and there you have it. That is basically my gnocchi. This is literally a 20-minute meal. I think most of the time you're literally chopping vegetables up, but this meal takes no more than half an hour to make. After work, when you're tired, you want to eat something healthy, you want to eat something homemade, this is the recipe. Okay guys, I really do hope you have enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and keep on watching and supporting. Have your notification bells on, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy this quick, easy homemade recipe. Italian gnocchi is absolutely quick and delicious. Okay.